Hello everyone, hope you're doing fine. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through the simple steps to locate your MAC address in Windows 10. So before you continue, don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel, Tech Hub, for tech tips every day. So right here, click on the Windows Start button, and here we are going to look for the settings. In the settings, we are going to look for network and internet right here. And if you are connected on the Wi-Fi, in the network settings, we are going to click on the Wi-Fi. Here it is going to show you the network we are connected to. In my case, I'm connected to Canal Box. So I'm going to click on this network. And here, I'm going to scroll down to the bottom. Here I'm going to see all the settings of my network. So here we are going to look for the physical address, which is also the MAC address. So this is the MAC address of my PC on this network. So in this way, we have managed to locate the MAC address of our PC on this network in Windows 10. So if you find this video helpful, feel free to subscribe, like and comment on our YouTube channel for tech tips every day. Thank you for watching.